The MRCOOL Universal Series heat pump split system was designed for easy installation and for the ultimate efficiency for heating and cooling your home. Today we're going to show you just how easy the installation process is for the MRCOOL Universal. The two main parts for this system are the outdoor condenser and the indoor air handler. You will want to determine where you would like your condenser, and you will need to be certain of your home needs. For this particular installation, we're setting it as a 2-ton system instead of a 3-ton. For this, you will need to set the dip switches on both the air handler and the condenser. The settings can be found in the installation manual that comes with your system. In this installation, we set the air handler in the horizontal position in the attic. Then we ran the line set from the air handler to the condenser outside. We used the MRCOOL No-Vac Quick Connect line set. This line set is pre-charged from the factory, which eliminates the need for soldering and vacuuming. The Quick Connect fittings come provided with a No-Vac line set. From the attic, we drilled a 3.5-inch hole for the line set. On the air handler, we unscrewed the flare fittings and screwed the Quick Connect fittings onto the air handler so we could use the pre-charged line sets. We threaded them by hand and then tightened them with wrenches. We then moved the air handler where it would line up with the existing ductwork of the home. For an installation like this, you may need more than one line set. In that case, you would need the MRCOOL coupler kit, which allows you to connect the two line sets together. The coupler kit screws into the middle connections of the line sets. We threaded them by hand and then tightened them with wrenches. Then we connected the line set to the outdoor condenser by threading them by hand and then using a wrench to tighten it. We used the same method for the indoor air handler. At the line set connection, we unscrewed the valve covers. We opened the valves using Allen wrenches. For the first valve, we used a 5mm wrench and twisted left until it stopped. With the next valve, we used an 8mm wrench. Then we screwed the caps back on. We did the same thing at the outdoor condenser by removing the valve covers and using the Allen wrenches to open the valves. Since we were already in the attic, we decided to go ahead and hook up the thermostat wire. The wiring options will depend on your own setup. We then checked for leaks using soapy water at the line set connection points. Once the line sets were secure, we were sure to wrap any exposed copper and line set connections with insulation tape to avoid excess condensation. Once everything was connected, we turned on the power and the system was ready to go. The MRCOOL Universal is one of the most efficient heat pump air conditioners on the market, and we've created a way to install it easily and quickly.